celebrating the divine journey of Lord Jagannath with a sweet delight straight from the heart of Odisha. So let's quickly see the recipe for Kakara Pitha. I'm going to start with making the outer covering for it, which is made with semolina, for which I'm going to boil 1 cup of water. Bring the water to a boil. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of fennel seed powder, a teaspoon of ghee, a big pinch of salt, half a cup of semolina, and make sure you keep stirring it constantly. Reduce the heat and mix everything properly. Keep mixing it vigorously. Make sure there are no lumps and cook it till you get a nice dough-like mixture. Turn off the heat, cover, and let this mixture cool down for about 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the dough in a plate. Grease your fingers with some ghee, and while this mixture is warm, knead it nicely. Once you get a dough-like mixture, leave it to rest for 5 to 6 minutes. The next step is to make the filling, for which I'm going to warm up 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Into this, add in 1/4 cup of sugar and keep stirring till the sugar melts. Once the sugar is melted, add in 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon each almond flakes and pistachio flakes, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped raisins. Give all these ingredients a good mix and cook it for 1 minute. Turn off the flame, remove it in a bowl, and let this mixture cool down completely. Add in 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Grease your fingers with ghee and mix all of this together. Knead the mixture well. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Divide the dough . Make a round ball with the dough. Flatten it. Fill around 1.5 tablespoons of this coconut mix. Seal it properly and make flat rounds. In this way, let's make another one. These are shaped and ready. And now, time to fry. Keep splashing oil constantly so that they don't dry out. Fry these till they are brown in color. Once they turn golden brown, get them out. This sweet is made during special occasions. They are such simple ingredients. They are available in your kitchen. Do give this a try. Let me know how it turned out. Subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.